Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Please thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Continue to stay tuned and please remember to subscribe and also comment your thoughts. Today we want to take you through filters. Filters are very important concepts in Excel. They help you select data at a particular point in time. Let's say you're working with thousands of data and there is a particular data you want to use at the moment. Filters help you to select. So today we are going to be doing an advanced filter. Let's jump in and see what we are talking about. Right here we have this data. We have name of children, we have age, we have sex, we have class, we have status. Just to remind you that these are imaginary names and imaginary ages and other data I just brought in by just writing at random. Also, I want to remind you I'm a humanitarian person. I work a lot, I analyze a lot of data from humanitarian organizations and also my organization as a data analyst, and that's why you mostly see me coming with such data. But of course we are also going to be looking at pure business data. It's all the same concept that has been applied in the humanitarian community and also in a business community. Here we have this data that is telling us about the name of children or name of child, their age, their sex, their class and their status. And here management has sent some brief. Assume that you're working with an organization and this organization want to get some insights from this data. Just assume that this data is about 10,000 names, 1,000 names, 1 million names on this Excel sheet, and they have asked you a very quick question. They want you to identify all ages equals to 11. They want to find out all ages that are equals to 11. So what we are going to do here is to come up with filters. They also want to find out the names that contain Clara, all names here that contains the word Clara. They also want to find out all ages that are above 8 years old, and they want to find out all texts or maybe names or maybe ages or text or sex here, boys and girls, or any text that ends with Y, and also want to find out maybe text again under sex that ends with B. Okay, this is just an example we are trying to come up with here. So the first thing you have to do here is you click in the middle of that table. No matter the amount of data in that table, just click anywhere in the table and you come up here, come to home, and then you go to data. When you come to data, there's a small option here called filters. You click filter. You see, once you click filter, there is something that happens. It automatically creates a small arrow here. You see, these are some small arrows that we have here, that we see here. You see this small arrow? This is it here. You see, it automatically create. If we click this again, it goes off. You see, every filter goes off. If we click again, it comes on. Okay, so here now they have asked ages equals to 11. So we are going to click, we are going to come under ages. This is our age, and we're going to ask that, we are going to try to answer this question. We come under age and then we click this small arrow, and then we come here, we come to number filters. You see, these are number filters because we are dealing with numbers right now. Okay, and then we select this number filters and we come under here, and it's asking ages equals to. So we come here and we select. It gives us that option, greater than, does, equal to, and then equals to. You see, it gives us what we are asked. We have been asked to choose those ages that are equals to 11. So we'll click equals to, and then it gives us this dialog box. Okay, and then all we need to come here, we emphasize. You see, equals to which age? 11, and then we write 11, 1 2, we write 11, and then we click OK. You see, all the ages that contains 11 or that are 11 years, all children that are 11 years old have just appeared here. We have been able to select only 1 2 3 4 5. It shows that 5 children were involved in this data with their ages 11 years. Okay, and then we go back, click a small arrow, we undo, and then we come again and answer this other question that says names containing Clara. So we'll now come under the names of children, and then we click the small arrow here, and then we come under text filter because we are now dealing with text names. Okay, previously we saw number filters, now it's text filter, and then we go here and then you say every name that contains Clara. So we come down here and we look, we select contains. Okay, because that is the statement, contains every name that contains something, that contains Clara. So we click on that, it gives us this dialog box again, and then all we need to do is come here and we write Clara. Let's assume that it gave us another name. Just write the name here after you have selected contains, and then you click OK. You see, all the names are contained Clara. You see, when you come here, Clara Glory, Clara Joyce, Fife Clara, Fan Clara, Clara Festus, Abba Clara, Ecole Clara, Tem Clara here, Kendley Clara, Clara Samarian, Gubela Clara, and Ashley Clara. You see, so all the names are contained Clara we have been able to select using this method. So we go back and then again, and then they're asking ages above 8. We come again on that age and we select this filter on that age. It still tells us text filter, we are under ages now. Sorry, we have to come under age. Yes, we come under age and it gives us number filter, and then it say all ages above. So we now come in and we are looking at above, and above, below, custom, and then between, less, greater or equal to. Okay, greater than. Okay, above means greater than, and we click greater than, and then we say greater than 8. So if we click 8 here, it means every age that is above age or greater than age will be, you see. So we'll start having from 9 years old to 10 years old to 10 years old, again to 12 to 11. So every age that is above 8 will appear. It will go and select just those data and then show it to you on your Excel sheet. And if we go back, undo again, and we come and answer the last, okay, almost the last question, it said all text that ends with Y. Okay, we can decide to do this on the column of sex, boys and girls. We can decide to do this on the column of name of child. Let's go to name of child and see what we have there. So if we come here and we select filter, and we can say ends with, so we come here and we look at the end with. You see there is a statement here that says end with, ends with. We click that statement and then we say ends with Y. Okay, so we come here and we click write Y, and then we click OK. You see every name that ends with Y, Clara Glory, Kum Destiny, Managing Glory, and New Year Rose Joy, Emenju Destiny. You see all names that ends with Y. We've seen it here based on filtering. We come again and then we come again and it says all name that starts with B. Okay, we come under sex now, and then we choose our filter again, and then we go to filter text filters, and then we say all names that starts with. So begin. Okay, starts with still means begins. We click begin and then we come and click B. You see, luckily it's not case sensitive. We can click capital or small letters, it still gives us our result, and we click OK. You see, so all names that starts with B, boys, have all of them have appeared here. You see, and still we're working with thousands of data. Okay, you see all of them that starts with B have appeared here. We can also come here, and when we click our undo, we can still come here and we still choose also under this names of child text filter. We come on name that begins with B. Let's see if we have a name or some names that begins. Okay, there's no name that begins with B. You see, it's clear here. It means there is no name that begins with B. So this is all we had for you today on filters. We'll be looking forward to check other concepts still on filters. There's so much to learn on filters, but this is a very, very important tool that you need to learn, you need to master when it comes to Excel. It is so important. It helps you to work with a huge data set in a very simple and very stress-free way. Thank you so much for watching the other lessons. Thank you.